In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to determine your Google Ads budget. Whether you're new to digital advertising or looking to fine-tune your existing campaigns, understanding your budget is a crucial step in maximizing your advertising success. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Google Ads website. When you arrive at the home page, you'll see an invitation to either sign in or start advertising if you haven't already. Signing in will give you access to all the essential tools and insights that Google provides to manage and optimize your campaigns effectively. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This is your hub for everything related to your ads, from creating new campaigns to analyzing performance data. Spend a few moments exploring the dashboard if it's your first time here. Familiarizing yourself with the layout will make it easier to find the tools and reports that you'll need. Next, you'll want to click on the Overview section. This is where you'll access key insights into how your ads are performing across different metrics. Google Ads provides detailed information, allowing you to quickly assess the effectiveness of your campaigns. Look for trends in the data that might signal a need for budget adjustments, such as an increase in clicks or a drop in conversions. Moving on, you'll need to find the impression share metric. Impression share is crucial because it tells you the percentage of impressions your ads receive compared to the total available impressions you could get. This metric can indicate if you might be losing out to competitors due to a lower budget. To access this information, navigate through the interface until you see the relevant charts or tables displaying impression share. It's usually part of the report section where you can view customized data on your campaigns. Understanding your impression share can give you valuable insights into whether you need to adjust your budget. If your impression share is low, it means there are more potential customers out there that you're currently not reaching. Consider evaluating the reach against your set goals to decide if a budget increase is warranted. Conversely, if you have a high impression share but aren't seeing the expected return on investment, it might be time to optimize other parts of your campaign rather than increasing spend. Finally, based on your findings, determine the appropriate budget for your campaigns. It's important to align this with your larger marketing goals and financial resources. For example, if your goal is to expand reach, you may need to allocate more funds towards increasing your impression share in key markets. Remember, regular monitoring and adjustments based on performance data are key to sustaining successful campaigns. So there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively determine and manage your Google Ads budget, ensuring that your marketing dollars are working hard for your business. Happy advertising!